he's a friendly dog. Oh my God, he's friendly. Oh my God, he's friendly. Oh my gosh, he's friendly, chat. That nigga standing up straight. Oh, chat, if I don't know, I got him this collar. 6 is his name. If y'all don't know, I got him this collar for Christmas, chat. You know, I got him this collar for Christmas. Hopefully, right now, my allergies feel good right now.